Today we'll be talking about how to create a day and night for your game. So let me show you the demo here. Alright, so he's going to move on the screen here and then it's going to turn to dark. See how it went from day to dark, and now it's going to go back to day. So basically, you're basically using alarms here for it to work. So the first thing you need to do is create an object, and I called mine obj_cycle. And basically it's just a small square, and I dragged and I called it obj_cycle. The sprint is obj_cycle1. And in here I went to add events, to the create, and then dragged over a coded sheet. In the coded sheet it stated that alarm bracket 0 bracket equals 120 semicolons here. I set it to 120, so this is the alarm. This is when it's going to go off at 120, and then that's when the night's going to start happening. Then I have image_alpha equals 0 semicolons here. So basically the alpha is going to make it fade from morning or day to night. And then alarm, I went to that event, grabbed alarm 0, and then got a coded sheet, and it stated that if image_alpha is less than 1, and then we have this is a semicolon here. I'll put the code in the YouTube video so you can get the correct information. Then it's going to be image_alpha plus equals 0.1, and then the dot parentheses here. Then you have alarm bracket 0 bracket equals 330. Then you have the dot comma. So yes, so the alpha is going to state that it's going to fade at 0.1. So you could probably change this to 0.234 to make it go faster. And after 30 seconds, it's going to do its animation thing. So you have the semicolon, else if image_alpha is greater than equals 1. Then you have the semicolon here. The alarm bracket 1 bracket equals 120 kicks in with the dot parentheses. So basically it's stating that it's going to go from day to night after so many seconds. So the biggest thing here, if you want to make it day longer, you would change the 120 to like 200, 300, or you could change this to 10 or 20 and make it go faster. So I wouldn't mess with the 30 right here. I would only mess with the 120 here. That's where the time for it to turn day to night and night to day is going to happen. So that's where I would change that. And I also, in the coded sheet, I made it set to other. So that way it doesn't affect your character. And then even in the crate, I set it to other. And it's at 120. And then alarm 1, basically it's stating that it's going to revert back to day. So if underscore alpha is greater than 0, semicolon, then image underscore alpha minus equals 0.1 dot comma. Then it's going to go to alarm 1. So it's going to then go alarm bracket 1 bracket equals 30, semicolon, else if image underscore alpha is less than equals 0, the semicolon, and then we have the alarm bracket 0 bracket equals 120 dot comma, and then we have a semicolon. So it's reverting back to day from. So I just copied the code from alarm 0, which was all this was in the positive, and the brackets were going, the Pacman symbol were going the other direction. So this is going from day to night, and then alarm 1 is going from night to day, and you set it to other. And then I have this object cycle depth at 100, and basically I stretched out the image here. So basically it was a small image, and I stretched the image so it was really small and tiny, and you can stretch it to fill the whole screen, so you're not using so much space for your mobile or your desktop device, and then it does the effect. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.